was finger licking good. But you had to take the best part of me.
Your best part was your thighs.
We have some bad news. Dahil may nag-break po sa spit.
Yes.
And it's very unfortunate dahil love team sila. The Mara-Marabot love team.
Also known as the Tessie love
Also
team.
known as the Tessie love team. Now, we sent Thea out of the room.
When we are sending someone, they do not know something that we know.
Correct. At saka kailangan nilang hulaan by the end of the game. So, Thea actually doesn't know the reason why they broke up.
But Missy, one of the lovers, know.
Can I have a very strange or petty reason for two people to break up?
Balat ng fried chicken.
Hindi kinakain.
Kinain yung balat ng fried chicken.
Valid. So, ang dahilan ay kinain niya yung balat ng fried chicken niya. So, let's send Missy out of the room with a
Palakpakan
round
po
of
natin
applause.
si Missy. Missy will step out of the room. Si Thea, alam niya kung saan sila unang nagkita.
So, can we please have a specific location where the couple met? Kung tama ang sinasabi nila, I'd like you to cheer. Practice natin yan. 3, 2, 1.
Kung malayo po ang guest nila, pwede niyo po silang ibu. Practicein natin.
Kung medyo tama, pero hindi pa rin yun, you can say, booyek! So, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Missy back into the room with a big round of applause.
Oh my God. Hi, nako. Oh my God. Jemima. Ilang beses ko ba sasabihin sa'yo, huwag mo nga akong sinusundan?
Martha, sabi ko, pagkatapos ng pagsasama natin, ako ang mag-shop sa Pure Gold, ikaw sa hypermarket.
Pure gold ba to? Oh, shucks. Kasi ang daming living things dito. Maganda yung selection. Bakit ako yung kailangan mamili?
Martha,
Jemima.
yung puso ko, teka lang ah.
Is it a flutter? Do you feel the fluttering of your heart now that you can see me again? Baka naman in love ka ba sa akin?
Yung puso ko. Ang dami ko naaalala, yung puso ko, sobrang... Teka lang.
Okay na ba yung diabetes mo?
Okay yung diabetes ko, wala na yon. Okay na yung thyroid ko, okay na yon. Okay na rin yung blood sugar ko, yes, diabetes.
Pero yung puso mo, hindi pa rin okay. This is so funny kasi when I first saw you, you were getting your heart checked.
Yes.
In Cardinal Santos. Or something like that. Kinalimutan ko na eh. Ayoko na matandaan. Nakakataas ng blood pressure.
Cardinal Santos. Alam mo, we were everywhere. We were everywhere, Martha. Kahit sa malls, nandun tayo. Sa isang kanto, nandun tayo. We were everywhere.
Because we were trying to reenact our first meeting in HP. Precision.
HP Precision.
Oh!
Di ba dun kayo ng office mates mo? We got our own thing. We got
That's
our
right,
own
that's
thing. We
right.
had our own thing then.
That's right. I'm sorry. How many times do I have to say sorry to you? Ako na nga yung kinunan mo ng things that are important to me. Ako pa magsasorry sa'yo.
Alam mo, dahil nag-break lang tayo dahil sa butterfly bread.
Sana ko yung butterfly bread. Pero napaka-sensitive ng... Tinan mo, tumataas yung balahibo ko. It looks like...
Dahil sa goosebumps.
Sana kung goosebumps ko. Baka naman naaalala mo. was finger licking good. But you had to take the best part of me.
Your best part was your thighs.
Well, yes. It kasi smooth. Lalo na pag lalagyan ko ng oil. It's glistening.
Alam mo, ang pagmamarinate ng pag-ibig ng olive oil.
If you want to be healthy but our relationship was so unhealthy,
Okay,
it's clogging my...
dahil lang gumagamit ako ng butter sa lahat ng niluluto ko.
Tulad ng ano?
Kolesterol.
Yup. Fine.
Alam
Aalis
mo-
ka na naman. Ganyan ka naman eh. Hindi ka makahintay sa clinic. Hindi ka makahintay sa a specific kind of clinic.
Ay. Teka nga, nag-grocery ako eh.
Oh, sige, kunin mo yan. Kunin mo yung...
Maxi.
Maxi? Talaga ba? With wings? Wings, thighs, pati breast ko na lang!
Okay, Martha, I chickened out.
You did. Tell me why.
Because you had chicken skin all over your body.
Sana ko chicken skin on my body, pero hindi yung nandun, oh. Tapos ginawa mo pa. Anong ginawa mo? Nasa KFC tayo, nag-e-enjoy tayo sa date natin. Pagkatapos saan pumunta ng clinic, tapos anong ginawa mo?
I'm sorry. Kinukuha ko lahat ng balat ng chicken mo. Martha!
Jemima!
Tapos na yon, okay? Kahit ibigay ko pa sa'yo lahat ng chicken skin. Tapos na tayo, Martha.
Oo nga. Yun lang naman hinihintay ko yung mag-sorry ka. Pero iniiwan mo ako dun sa clinic. Taas na nga ng kolesterol ko. Yung clinic kung saan tayo una nagkita.
Martha, naalala mo, madalas tayong pumunta sa malls at kahit saan magpapacheck up tayo.
Correct.
Iisa-isahin natin lahat sila.
Alam mo namang limited yung understanding ko, Jemima, di ba? So, ito, ink cartridge ng HP, bullshit.
Okay, nakita mo tong Maxi pill? Nakita
Yes.
mo tong Maxi pill, wala na to because I care for you.
Ay, may tanong po ako. Ito pong HMO.
30?
Ay, thank you. Thank you po, thank you.
May moment na kami, ate. Sige, ulit.
Martha.
I am Jemima.
Tapos na tayo.
Maxed out na ako.
Yes,
And I have to tell you that I do still care. And if we could just go back to MaxiCare, you can have all the chicken skin on my plate.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Thea and Missy!
Ganda.
Ang ganda.
Biruin mo yun, sa clinic nagkikita,
Ah.
pero nag-aagawan sa makolesterol na chicken skin.
Spit Manila.